In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks with Mailchimp. This seamless integration can be a game changer for your business, allowing you to sync your accounts and streamline your operations efficiently. Whether you're new to using these tools or a seasoned pro, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure that everything works smoothly. First, let's begin by navigating to the Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the integration section. This can typically be found within the Account Settings or an Integrations tab, depending on your version of Mailchimp. This area acts as your central hub for connecting Mailchimp with other applications, so it's a good place to familiarize yourself. Next, you'll want to find the specific integration option for QuickBooks. It might be listed under Popular Integrations, or you can use the search function to locate it quickly. After finding QuickBooks, click on it to initiate the integration process. This is where you actively link the two platforms, and it's crucial to ensure that all settings align with your business requirements. Now you're asked to connect QuickBooks to Mailchimp. Usually this involves logging into your QuickBooks account directly. You might see a prompt to enter your credentials to authorize Mailchimp to access your QuickBooks data. Always verify that you are entering your information on a secure connection to prevent any potential security issues. Once logged in, you're presented with a screen to authorize the integration. Here, carefully review the permissions that Mailchimp will need to access QuickBooks data. It's important to understand exactly what data will be shared between the two platforms, ensuring you maintain control over your financial and marketing assets. After reviewing, go ahead and grant the necessary permissions to proceed. Now that QuickBooks is connected to Mailchimp, it's time to explore setting customizations. You might have options to select specific types of data synced between the two platforms, such as customer information or transaction history. Tailoring these options to suit your business needs can optimize your workflow and help you make better informed decisions. Once you've configured your settings, take a moment to double-check everything. Ensuring correct settings means a seamless transfer of data and reduces the chances of any discrepancies. With everything in place, Mailchimp will start fetching the relevant data from your QuickBooks account, so give it a little time to sync everything up. Finally, it's always a good idea to run a few tests. Send yourself a test email campaign or verify that the data appears correctly in your dashboard. This step ensures that all integrations are working properly and helps you feel confident about using these platforms together. Congratulations! You've connected QuickBooks to Mailchimp, and you're ready to take advantage of their synergies to boost your business operations. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.